Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. Today we'll be exploring the new series of Midea InfiniWash technology. Midea washing machines are equipped with InfiniWash technology that retains the newness of your wardrobe while keeping them fresh. You can trust InfiniWash technology to gently clean your new and delicate clothes without even damaging their texture. It's just a spa-like feeling for your clothes. Now we are going to unveil the key features of this latest innovation, which comes in 8.5 kg load for washing and 6 kg load for drying. The rich clean function in InfiniWash technology varies the speed of washing every 9 minutes from 60 rpm to 200 rpm for effective cleaning. With this variation of speed, the detergent effectively gets time to absorb, clean and hence remove every dirt particle. In lower speed, the hand action of washing is replicated and detergent penetrates into the fabric pores to remove stubborn stains and dirt while ensuring care for your clothes. In higher washing speed, the stubborn dirt is removed entirely. While the jet spray ensures uniform washing, the rotating current of the water detangles the clothes. The Infinite Crystal Cradle Drum with smaller infinite pores and 2,196 spray holes clean and scrub your clothes gently with care. Designed keeping care in mind, the unique convex-shaped Infinite Crystal Cradle Drum minimizes friction to ensure your clothes are fresh and soft to wear. This drum provides a cradle-like feel to your clothes for extra protection and care during the wash cycles. The soft yet sturdy paddles scrubs stubborn stains away gently and softly while economizing the use of water and detergent for a better wash. Designed keeping the climate of India in mind, the paddles are more effective for deep cleaning soiled clothes with the multi-dimensional water jets. Infinite anti-vibration and noise-free operations for extra care and a peaceful night's sleep, even at a spin speed of 1400 rpm. Midea InfiniWash machine is equipped with an antibacterial gasket that helps prevent the formation and growth of mold and bacteria in moisture-prone areas. This ensures that your clothes are getting a hygienic wash. So come aboard the Flipkart family for a seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo, and assured brand warranty for all your appliances.